John's guest tonight is Chickie Leventhal of Chickie Bail Bonds, who started her business 27 years ago around her dinner table and wanted to make a difference in how bail bond agents are seen and thought of. She has done that. Chickie Bail Bonds is a family-owned and operated business. Chickie is a fascinating businesswoman to talk to, and she is not shy about sharing her opinion. And with that, here is our host, celebrity PI to the rich and famous, John J. Nazarian. How are you tonight, John?
I'm good, thank you, and I'm looking forward to this evening's show. Chickie, explain to us who you are, how you got started, and something about your company.
Okay. The company is Chickie's Bail Bonds. I had worked in a bunch of different industries, throughout the years, and eventually I worked for insurance companies. Now, people don't realize that behind every bail agent is an insurance company. In order to be licensed and bonded, you have to go through the Department of Insurance. That's done through an insurance company. And although I'm responsible for every bond that I write, the insurance company only is responsible if I fail. Of course, we write bail for anybody, and anyone who's ever used us will never go anywhere else. As you so kindly said, John, the way we treat people makes them come back. And what we do is we treat people with respect. I don't care whether you have been arrested or your father's been arrested or whatever. You're still a human being, and when people call our office, they're treated with sensitivity, with caring. We treat people the way we would like to be treated. And so we do our job so differently, than other bail agents, do because of our attitude. If you want a decent bail agent, you will find one. You can call Chickie, of course. That's my favorite thought. But there is a nationwide group of bail agents under the heading of Expert Bail. And you can go on your computer and pull up Expert Bail, and wherever you are, you will find an Expert Bail agent. And these are agents who will hold themselves up to a higher standard. You will never get screwed, okay? Am I allowed to say that on radio?
Yeah. Oh, no, go right ahead. This is my show. You can say whatever you want.
Okay, good. So there are decent bail agents out there. You just have to be sure that you're dealing with one and not be taken in by these other guys who are really dishonorable.
My guest tonight is Chickie Leventhal, and Chickie is someone who runs one of the best bail agencies in the country. You can go to our sites and see what we have to say about her, and I can promise you this, we're going to have Chickie back on. Chickie, thank you so much for being my guest tonight on Straight Talk with John J. Nazarian, and I'm hoping you'll take us up on coming back.
I would love to do that, John. Thank you. It has been a pleasure.